Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Welcome, fellow Clash Royale players. Have you ever wondered how to seamlessly switch between multiple accounts on your phone or tablet? Maybe you've got a fantastic primary account, but also want to jump into an older one, or perhaps a new one you just started. Well, you're in luck. Managing multiple Clash Royale accounts is surprisingly simple, especially with the latest updates for 2025. Let's dive in and make sure you can always access your favorite villages. The absolute best way to handle your Clash Royale accounts is by using Supercell ID. Think of it as your universal game passport. It securely links your progress to a specific email address, meaning you can play your account on any device, anywhere. It also makes switching between multiple accounts incredibly straightforward. If you haven't connected your Clash Royale account to a Supercell ID yet, that should be your very first step towards easy account management. Ready to switch? Here's how simple it is. Launch Clash Royale and head to the Settings menu by tapping the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of your screen. Look for the Supercell ID section, which usually says Connect or Connected. From there, you'll see options like Log Out or Play with another ID. Just tap that, choose the Supercell ID linked to the account you want, and boom, you're in. It's designed to be a really quick and intuitive process. What if your account is currently only linked to Google Play or Apple Game Center? The best practice, especially in 2025, is to link those to a Supercell ID as well. You can do this right from the in-game settings. This step adds an extra layer of security and makes sure your progress is never lost, even if you change devices or lose access to your original phone. It truly is the most reliable method for keeping your game safe and accessible. To make sure your account switching is always a smooth experience, here are a few final tips. Always ensure you have a strong, stable internet connection. This helps prevent any loading issues. It's also a good idea to double-check that you're entering the correct Supercell ID credentials, especially if you manage several. If you ever run into trouble, don't hesitate to use the in-game help and support option. They're usually very quick to assist with any account-related concerns you might have.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.